My lovely kitties, you're so adorable. Let's get you nice and clean. Wow, is this for real? Oh, you're so cute. I need to hide you. Mom?
What is that? I smell something suspicious here.
I have to go. Mom mustn't find out about you. Don't worry, kitty. I will keep you safe. You're so cute. I need to find a way to hide you. Let's give this cloth a better use. Oopsie, I did it again. What is all this mess? Be gone. Easy. Nice. Our secret cave. Wow, it's so cool down here. What's this? It's a portable wall. And all I have to do is use my super duper screw gun. Nice. Let's add some colors. Blue is so fancy, feels like I'm flying in the sky. Wow, now it's so fancy. Do you see what I see? Ding, 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 ding. Bingo! It's a perfect carpet for a kitty house. Oh, it's so soft, feels like real grass. Kitty will scratch her claws here. Perfect. Look at this sticker. If you haven't guessed already, I love kitties! Kitties are floating on our deep blue sky. And some family portraits. Kitty will feel just like home. Now it looks so much better. Ooh, I see something. What's this? I will need the help of my strong fist for this one. Huh? Here it is! A kitty door! Don't forget to ring the bell. Sorry, I need this. Thank you very much. Now, I will make this entrance pretty soft for my kitty. Ta-da! Kitty will be able to comb her fur when she enters. Check this out! Wonderful! Kitty will love this!
It looks like a back massage to me.
Time to relax! Oh, my head! It's so hard! The floor needs a bit of fixing here. What's this? Sorry, I will return this back. Not really, I need it for my masterpiece. Oh, don't worry, I never liked these tights anyway. Now, a little bit of cutting here. And now the pillow. Now all that's left to do is to tie them together. This is easier than tying my shoelaces. How marvelous! A kitty hammock! If you didn't know, kitties love to climb up high. Coochie coochie coo. What is this horrible smell? No one is safe from this kind of surprises. I need a mask immediately. Oh, Kitty, what did he have for lunch? Away, you horrible poo-poo.
Oh, such a nice day. Huh? What is this?
I'm sorry. Ooh la la, now this is something I can use. Don't turn. Perfect stealing. Now you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Oh well, I don't want to smell horrible poo-poo ever again. I need to make a litter box for my cat. We'll hide it somehow so that my mom never sees it. With this flower. Nice. I like it, but something is missing.
My precious. Oh, my cuties. My lovies.
I'm sorry, Mom, but I need stones. Here you are. Now let's take all of them. Let's place you over here. Oh, now it smells much better. High five! Simply astonishing! Huh? What is this now? Huh? I have an idea! I will use these bows and create a unique sparkly foot tower for my kitty! Nice! Look! Just what I needed! If I can balance this in the middle... Now all we have to do is add everything on top. Amazing! All that's left to do is add some cat food inside the bows. Different taste on each floor. And Kitty's favorite one on top. Sometimes not even restaurants have so many choices. Oh, you can eat now.
Let me check what you made for me. This is delicious. Next time, please add foie gras.
Oh, so cute. Can I try one? I'm also hungry. Ooh. Ooh, I see something interesting. I'm sorry, Mom. I need that bowl. You can still eat your snacks. Kitty needs fresh vitamins. Let's plant greens for Kitty. Did you know kitties like feng shui? They don't just like it, they love it. First, we're going to spread these magic seeds. Look how they grow. Magical! Then we're going to add Kitty's healthy snack here. Ready? Come here, Kitty!
Wow, there's a real garden in here for me.
Now let's keep your food fresh in this tiny, adorable fridge. Aw, look how cool our Kitty's corner looks.
I can't even play with this blade.
Oh, look at you. A coochie coochie goo. A coochie coochie goo. A coochie coochie goo. Time for my healthy snack. Is that my phone? Where is it? Oh no! I need to go to school. Bye-bye, Kitty.
Hey, stop!
Huh? What happened?
Don't leave me alone. I will get bored.
Oh, I will miss you too. Don't worry, Kitty. I know exactly what to do. Trousers off. Just a second, and you'll understand what I'm trying to do. They look exactly like my legs. Now I need an upper body. Let's cross the legs to make a nice pillow leg for you. Socks! Let's add some cotton in there. And... ta-da! Ooh, this balloon has the same size as my head. Perfect fit. And a smiley face.
Now I won't feel lonely. It will feel like you're always here. Great idea.
One more thing. I don't want you to get bored. This is your own kitty laptop. Let's hook it up with a mouse. Ready. You can use it as you want, but I have to go. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm just gonna lie here and miss you like this. Come back soon. Yeah, sure. I'd better get busy and find a way to decorate my room some more. Wow, there are so many great toys for cats on Cool Tool Channel. This is exactly what I need. I can also sharpen my claws on my laptop while I'm looking on how to make a toy myself. So cool. Looks like Kitty found something she likes. First things first, we need some birds. Some magic paw. Let's take these birds and attach them with this ribbon. Look how cool this kitty toy is. So smart. Kitty's favorite game is catch the birdies. This is a very good exercise for the hands. Good job, Kitty.
Kitty, what are you doing here? Where did you get such a toy? You need a modern toy. Huh? Kitty loves toys, so let's buy her this one. Ooh, nice. Here you go. This toy is so cool. It'll be so much fun catching these moving balls. This toy has the same ears as you. It gets even better. First, we need to press the kitty paw button. Insert this cool fluffy toy on it. It's blue, your favorite color. Now, with a magic click on the top, it'll start rotating, and now you can catch a laser. Your favorite laser toy.
I heard playing with the laser is a fun cardio activity for cats. I can't stop.
Uh-oh, this laser is pointing at me. Ah, Kitty, wait! Crazy cat. What's this? Ooh, nice. Ooh, we can do something so that Kitty can sharpen her claws. So mesmerizing. All we have to do is wind the rope completely all around. Especially with some colors. Last rope. Done. Kitty can climb up to the top. So nice. Final step.
Oh, interesting. Huh? My laptop! What is this boy doing?
I can use this. Ooh. Let's make a beautiful curtain here. Mom will never find you with this cool curtain. We can open the curtain only when I'm here. I love how pretty we made your kitty house. Everything looks fabulous. We can live here together forever. We have everything we need. We just need to make sure that Mother never sees you. Even I didn't have that many toys when I was a kid. It's so cute. Everything is so nice. I'll be right back.
No, well, something's going on here. I will find what that is. Oh, is that a kitty? I love kitties. Come over here, sweetie. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, you can stay with us forever.
Careful, Pomni! This cat likes to leave its mark. Let's fill it up with glue. Now it's time to cut it out. Really, we literally need to cut it out. It's just what we need for our memorial. Oh, poor kitty. You'll be missed. I'm sure he lives on in our hearts. Oh, I told you to check for a pulse. We should take a deeper look inside. Well, hello from the other side. And Kitty's back.
Wow.
Kinda. Either way, it's time to play with our new doll. Here, Kitty will hang up your wraps. And why don't we show your face to the world? Much better. And soon, you'll be feeling store-bought new with a nice wax job. Now let's peel it off. Careful, you missed a hair. Like a brand new doll. Now take some noodles, soften them up. And soon, Dolly will have new hair. Happy birthday, Kitty. Not that you're any older. But we can still have a cake. We even have the perfect topping. An edible paper cat. And the best part, if you light it up, there might just be a special surprise underneath. And you get your cake nice and toasty. Aw, that baby's a real doll. I mean it. Let's take it for a stroll. Just hold on. Uh-oh. Quick, someone catch that baby. Save us, Ghost Kitty. Yes, toilet paper. It's always the answer. First, unravel it. Use a blow dryer to speed things up. We'll need it for a soft landing. And she's safe. Guess Kitty's checking out his old haunts. Uh-oh, your phone! Oh no! Hey, when'd you get out? Next time, make sure your toilet's covered. And we've got a pair of tights to spare. Just make a nice hole in the middle. Now we should test it out. Great success! Of course, there are some things we want to go down. Let's try this again. Hey, who put that cactus there? Don't worry, Ghost Kitty's got you covered. Now let's ditch this prickly plant and recycle old plastic into a row of teeth. Now you've got a soft seat. And with this, you'll always get a good look at things. So why don't we try things out? Oh no, Pomni! Watch out for that bite! Well, at least she's not a ghost too. How about we clean her up?
Wow!
Just add soap, water, and spin. She's looking a little flat. Let's add popcorn. Good. Now Pomni's looking a little stuffed. And now she's cute and crunchy. Ooh, hope she doesn't notice that spider. Kitty says we should take a closer look. Wow, are you starting a spider farm?
Oops.
Well, how about we clear them off? But if you like webs, we can make our own. And you know, maybe we can bring back a few spiders. Ah, nothing beats a good book. Uh-oh, your pants! Here, Kitty's got something for you. Use it to make a kitty thumbprint. Fill it up with glue. And add a clip.
Wow!
And you've got a squishy new friend. One who will hold your pants for you, too. And you've always got a dance buddy. Chips. And there's a surprise, too. That chip looks a little different. That's because it's made of coconut. Let's not waste it. Collect it in a cup. You know, coconut goes great with chocolate. Come on, you can't have too much chocolate. Make sure to roll it around the cup. Soon, it's a new treat that holds even more treats. And who would say no to a little whipped cream? And sprinkles. What you waiting for? Have a bite. There's something in your crayon bag, and it sure isn't crayons. Well, anymore. Naughty kitty. But we can fix them. Just add the broken pieces to this alphabet mold. Next, add heat to melt them into place. Pretty soon, they'll harden up into letter-shaped crayons. And they come in the best color there is, rainbow. And you can draw even more letters. Uh-oh, you spilled your dominoes. It's okay. The domino train is here to help.
Wow!
Just add some dominoes inside the tube. Add to the train and take it for a spin. Look, it'll line them up for you. Of course, what goes up must come down. And we wouldn't want it any other way.
Meh.
People save baby footprints. Why not do the same for your fur babies? And here comes the fun part, breaking it all to pieces. Huh, this cat doesn't look like he belongs to anyone. So let's fix that. Make your shirt into a pouch. And bring him to your house, which shall henceforth be his house. Cats usually clean themselves, but this looks like a big job. At least skin's easier to clean than fur. This looks like a job for one of our gadgets, a cat brush. And when you're done, look how easy it is to remove the hair, which also makes it easy to use in crafts. After all, cat hair's better as earmuffs than on your couch. While we're at it, let's do something about those nails. But why stop at just cleaning those nails? These clips fit right on, and think of all the money we'll save on polish. Wow, lipstick for paws. I would have just called it paw stick. Good idea, a massager. You know, it's hard work being a cat. Yeah, you should feel nice and relaxed. Now, how can we make this dinner table more cat-friendly? Maybe this cardboard box can help. After all, cats already prefer the box to whatever's inside. And you can do no wrong with some colored tape. Look at all these colors. It's like a rainbow of tape.
Ew.
With this plastic bowl, we can make a window. If only it was this easy making a window into a bowl. What else can we add? Honestly, I'm not surprised lawns are free. With all that hassle of mowing them, some people might even pay you to take it. Whoa, some free clothes just lying around. Could be useful. Ah yes, jeans. Like your skirt, but with legs. Let's stuff it up with some of these other clothes. And tie the legs up together like a pretzel. Our project is almost done. Just add the roof. And a few finishing touches, like these sticky notes. Place them down in a pattern like roof shingles. What else is nice and sticky? Great idea, a sticker. We can personalize our furry friend's new home away from home. Is there anything else a cat would like?
Ooh.
These brushes will make fun self-groomers. What else do cats like? Clothespins? Do cats like clothespins? Okay, I see where she's going with this. A fish mobile. Furnishing a house has never been so delicious. Oh, and what a lovely picture frame. Excuse us, we're just gonna borrow this too. Wow, this mat fits inside the frame. What are the odds? And now we have a brand new scratching post. This flower pot has a lot of space. Cut it open, and it's a perfect private makeshift litter box. Oh, water. Cats need water too, right? Let's add a cat water fountain. Just add water. It looks like our fish mobile is getting nice and pungent. Do you have anything else we could add? These beads could add just the right touch. Let's just run some thread through them. This would make a great friendship bracelet.
Wow!
But now, tie up the excess string and cut. This way, it ends in a little pom-pom. Make different sizes for your new beaded curtains. Next, let's cut up a hole in this stool. Add a plate right on top. And with the help of these silicone molds, we can fill it up with the best custom-made snacks. And just think of all these different flavors. She's got that look in her eyes. She's got ideas for this traffic cone. We'll need to cut up this plastic bottle and add hot glue. Add some around the rim to soften things up. Add to the cone. And fill it up with even more cat treats. Of course, what's a cat house without a ball of yarn? Except we're gonna use it for our next craft. I wonder if this girl's ever played cat's cradle. I feel like it'd be right up her alley. Oh, these plush toys would be great for that net we just made. Of course, you can't have much of a cat house without a cat. Let's see how he likes it. Does he love it or does he love it? A free hat? Well, these wonders never cease. He's having a lot of fun looking at stuff. And would you look at that? He's potty trained with an actual pot. Now to kick back with a nice snack. And some more snacks. The only thing better than having a cat is being a cat. Meow, amazing stuff. Catch you next time.